Yo editors, ever made a fire edit but it turns blurry after upload? Yeah, we all hate that. So today I'm showing my secret workflow to get ultra sharp 4K quality using After Effects and Topaz. This is the exact method I personally use. Before we start, I already pre-composed my clip and applied Twixtor for smooth slow motion. Then I rendered it in high quality settings. Now for the magic sparkles. I opened the rendered clip in Topaz Video AI. This is where the real quality boost happens. Listen carefully. Copy these settings and do what I do. Show your settings on screen. Then export in full 4K. You'll instantly see the difference: sharper details, cleaner edges, less blur. Step 3. Final color grade. After that, I bring the upscale clip back into After Effects. Now I add my best color correction. Boom, cinematic look ready clapperboard. And that's my full ultra quality workflow. Smooth slow motion plus sharpness plus cinematic color grade. If you're serious about editing, start using this method. Drop a like, subscribe for more fire tutorials. And comment what you want next.